You do not need boiling water, but warm water together with soap improves the soap method for clearing minor clogs. The soap method works because soap acts as a lubricant and can help dissolve greasy residues that trap hair and debris. So start by choosing a liquid dish soap or Castile soap and pour about 3 tablespoons into the drain. Let the soap sit for 5 to 10 minutes to coat internal surfaces. Then pour in 1 cup of warm water that is comfortably hot to the touch, but not boiling, because extreme heat can soften or warp some plastic pipes and damage seals. Wait another 5 minutes, and then run the faucet at medium pressure for 1 to 2 minutes to flush loosened material. If the line is only partially blocked, you will usually see flow improve immediately. For tougher clogs, repeat the soap and warm water cycle 2 times, and follow with a manual snake of 6 to 10 feet if you have one. Push gently, rotate clockwise, and pull back slowly to bring debris out rather than push it further. Avoid chemical drain cleaners when using soap and heat because their reactions can create dangerous fumes and can damage older plumbing. Instead, use mechanical means or enzyme cleaners designed for organic buildup. If you suspect non-organic blockage, continual backups, or sewer smell, call a licensed plumber early to prevent pipe damage. Common mistakes include using boiling water, which can warp plastic pipes and loosen adhesive joints, so always use warm, not boiling water. Another mistake is expecting immediate removal of large or deep clogs after one application, so repeat the safe cycles and then use a snake rather than pouring corrosive chemicals. A third issue is not protecting the trap when working under the sink, so place a bucket under the P-trap, loosen slip nuts by hand first, and inspect the trap for trap debris you can remove directly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects and discussions that help people compare approaches and learn practical tips like the soap method. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experience, and we help contractors find local work by showcasing their services and project examples.